Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how to clear cache in Safari on iPhone. Please watch the video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Let's get started. This method works on absolutely any iOS device, both iPad and iPhone. So in order to clear it, we have to go into Settings. And once we're in Settings, we're going to go down to the bottom. And then we're going to open up the Safari tab. And then we're going to scroll down and we're going to open up this Advanced tab. And then at the top, we click on Website Data. As you can see here, I have a cache. I don't have a lot of cache because I clean it regularly. You might have 2, 3 gigabytes here. Some people have 4 if you've never cleaned it. To clean, you just go to a site. You swipe right. You hit Delete. That clears your cache. If you want to remove everything, you click Remove All Website Data. Click Remove Now. You go to Website Data. And we're at 0. That's no cache. That's how easy it is to clear all cache in Safari on your iOS devices like iPhone and iPad. If this video helped you and liked it, you can subscribe to the channel. Give a like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.